I don't think it's ever going to stop raining. Well, guess I'll go ride stationary. This is boring. I'm not going anywhere. I guess I can't do anything else. It's been raining for a week. It's not like I can ride single track. Whoa, where did you come from? That's not true, and you know it, dum-dum. Just go down and ride Little Sugar. Oh yeah, Little Sugar. Why didn't I think of that? That's a great idea. I'll just head on down there now. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of BLT Biking. I hope you can forgive me for the cheesy intro complete with fake rain and my first attempt at cloning. I will not be mistaken for a Caminoan. Another bad joke, I know. Anyway, I had to make this video because Little Sugar is just so amazing. You can literally ride in a thunderstorm, although I wouldn't necessarily advise it, and you're not going to hurt the trail, and you're not going to get real muddy. Now, of course, you're going to get splashed. Oh, okay, here comes a car. Man, speed racer down there. Anyway, so, where was I? Oh yeah. You can literally ride it in a thunderstorm, and it's not going to matter. You're not going to hurt the trail, and you're not really going to get muddy. Now, you're going to have puddles, you're going to get splashed, you'll be a little dirty, but you can get your single track fix in anytime. And you're never going to waste a trip to Northwest Arkansas because there's always going to be somewhere you can ride. In addition to Little Sugar, Hobbs holds up really well, and there's a wet loop on the back 40 that holds up really well. So I just wanted to give you a little insight into what you can expect. If you're within a few hour drive of it and it's been raining, go ride. It won't matter. You'll get your fix in. All right, take a look at this little bit of additional information and footage I got. See you guys. Much like the back 40 trail system, Little Sugar consists of an outer loop, in this case tunnel vision, which is 24 miles long and can be ridden in either direction. In addition to tunnel vision, there are the connector trails of Lago Vista, Bamboozled, and Uphill Both Ways, which add almost 10 additional miles. Finally, on the southeastern portion of the Little Sugar system are the loops of Down Under, which adds almost 5 miles, Tweety Bird, which is just a little under 2, and then the Landline Connector, another 2 miles. The only trails that would not be included in the ride in any condition category are the new Gravity Logic downhill trails off of Huntley Avenue. While they are a ton of fun, we need to stay off them when it's wet. There's plenty of other stuff to ride. I'm going to leave you guys with a couple minutes of footage from my last 2 rides in the rain. We'll see you down the trail. We can ride 15 miles in this much rain?
I barely can myself, but the trail's sure holding up.
Yeah.
I am.
Lost and I couldn't be found, but then I just saw your face. You changed the mood. When you're walking with a smile, yes you do. I haven't been happy for a while. To be honest, I feel a mess. Moving all my feelings around like just but you. You changed the mood.
hope this doesn't end up looking ridiculous. It sure felt ridiculous recording it.